Okay, so here we are with experiment number 2, where right now we're doing rockin' raisins here at Science Palooza at the Idea Studio. Now we're going to see what happens when we mix raisins into certain different chemicals. Right here we have some bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, aka baking soda. We have some vinegar, and we have some water. We're going to mix these chemicals together with raisins in the water to see what happens. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to predict, what do you think will happen when you put raisins into a cup of water, Ned?
It will bubble.
It'll bubble? Just raisins and water? And what do you think, Harry?
The raisins will have bubbles form on them.
Bubbles will form on the raisins.
Small.
Okay, so let's drop some raisins into that water right there and see what happens.
I think we're going to need a bigger cup.
Yes.
Oh, I was right. Bubbles form.
And if we look here, we see little bubbles on the
raisin?
raisins. And we have more raisins you can eat. Don't eat the science experiment, please.
Can I put it in there now?
No, not right now. Alright, so for the second part, we're going to add 200 milliliters of water to the cup. Put 5 raisins in the water. What happens to the raisins? Okay, we already did that. Okay, for the second part, we are going to add vinegar to the cup. So we're going to have to put this in a larger cup. My assistant Tommy is helping me here. So now we have our raisins in the cup. They've got a little bit of water bubbles on them. And now we're going to add 25 milliliters of vinegar to the cup. Let's see what happens. Nothing happens.
Let's put in the other 2 raisins and see.
Let's make sure we have all the raisins in there.
Bubbles.
Anything happen? Are they dancing? No rockin' raisins. Alright. So what do you think will happen if we add some sodium bicarbonate to the raisins, vinegar, and water?
And this will most likely overflow. Can I?
Yes. Why don't you take the small one and dump it in?
And Harry
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see what happens.
at the same time?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, go for it.
We're getting a little reaction here. We have a little bit of movement on the raisins down here in the bottom. Well, it didn't quite overflow, but we definitely got a reaction there. Okay, so what do you think is going to happen if we add a little bit more vinegar?
It will explode. It will explode.
It's going to explode? What about you over there, Mr. Harry Garvey?
Rockin' raisins.
Rockin' raisins. All right, let's pour some more vinegar in there and see what happens. Whoa, whoa! It's coming up to the top. Our raisins are rocking.
Rockin'? No, not quite. Moving a little.
Moving a little, not quite rocking.
Put more vinegar in it. Put more vinegar in it. More baking soda.
I like the baking soda idea.
What?
I like the baking soda idea.
Now, let's try and add some more baking soda and let's see what happens.
The baking soda is what makes it react. It's the base, not the acid.
We have a junior chemist over here. This is the difference between acids and base.
And now more vinegar.
Maybe we need to get some litmus paper and do a pH test. Alrighty.
Doesn't blue mean it's an alkaline, and red means it's an acid, or and then?
All right, let's not get this on our data sheets. All right, rockin' raisins.